What's the meaning of assistant referee? Assistant referee. Assistant referee.
Assistant referee. Assistant referee. An assistant referee is a member of a soccer match officiating team who assists the main referee in making decisions on the field. They typically patrol the touchlines and help the referee determine if the ball has gone out of bounds, if a player is offside, or if a foul has been committed. Assistant referees also signal when a goal has been scored and can assist the referee in making disciplinary decisions by providing additional information or perspective on an incident. Overall, assistant referees play an important role in ensuring that soccer matches are fair and well controlled.